Everyone thinks that I am this body. Or little farther off, one thinks, no, I am not this body, I am mind. There are two bodies, one gross body made of these physical elements, earth, water, air, fire, sky, and another, just like sat and core. You have got your core, and within the core there is sat, and within the sat you are. This is gross example. Similarly, we have got this gross body, and when the gross body is finished, then I keep myself in this mental body. That is called ghostly body. The ghostly body means one who is living in the subtle body. Ghost is a fact, it is not fictitious. This subtle body carries me to another gross body. That is called transmigration. I must have some vehicle. The subtle body, gross body is finished, that is gone. Now, the subtle body is there. Therefore, my mentality will create another gross body. If I am dog mentality, then I will create another body, dog's body. And if I am God mentality, then I will create another body like God. This is the process. So, everyone has got full liberty. How, what kind of body he is going to get next? Keep yourself in Krishna consciousness. That consciousness, subtle body, then you are sure to get next life. If not in Vaikuntha, at least you get a high standard life. That is confirmed in the Bhagavad Gita. Suchinang simatang gehi yoga vrasta sanjaya. Yoga vrasta. Vrasta means fallen. Suppose we are executing Krishna consciousness and some of our students are going away. That is called vrasta. Fallen, could not continue. So, one who could not continue by his ill luck, he is also not loser because that slight Krishna consciousness will help him to get another human form of body. That is correct. Ordinary man, they do not know what kind of body they are going to get. They are in darkness. But it will be decided at the time of his death, according to the mentality. God is so kind. Whatever you want, He is giving. Je jathamang prapadanti tang sataiva bhajamam. Whatever you want, you take. He has given you full liberty because we have come to this material world to enjoy. Enjoy means sense gratification. The whole thing is sense gratification. Anyone who has come in the arthavadina, their only aim is sense gratification. That's all. Anyone, beginning from Brahma down to the end, material life means a desire for sense gratification. They are fallen because they wanted to gratify their sense. They cannot remain in Vaikuntha world. In the Vaikuntha world, only the one, the Supreme Lord, his senses should be satisfied, not anyone's sense. That is called bhakti. The process is sense gratification, but as if you want your sense gratification, that is made. And if you want to satisfy Krishna's sense gratification, then you are speaking. Anyone who wants to gratify his senses, personal, he is pushed here in this material.